So yeah, you join me on this lovely grey day as I am escaping London. Technically, I'm in Brentford, and some people might not even class this as London, but to me it's London, and to me it's busy, and I hate it. But one thing that makes driving into work a little bit better is taking the bike. And that is what I've done today. I am on a 2016 ZX-10R. And this bus doesn't know what lane it wants to be in, so he's gone in both. What a lovely chap. We are getting the fuck out of here. It's not really the most interesting ride. There's just a lot of filtering going on. Some people like to see that. So hopefully this vlog does well. And I've got 2 GoPros and my Insta360 set up. I am kind of nervous having the 360 behind me because I've got a lot of stupid delivery drivers behind me who probably don't really know how to ride. So I have a feeling that I'm going to clothesline one of them with it. But yeah, if you know where we are, I'm in Brentford currently and I'm heading towards Twickenham. And then I will be onto the M3. And then I'll be out of here. But yeah, riding and commuting into London, do I actually like it or not? The answer is I don't mind it because it makes my day more interesting. It's a bit of a ball ache having the cameras, so that actually is quite annoying and one thing that kind of takes away from it. But you know, all in the name of content. You know, you get a lot of interactions going into London, especially on a bike, so I thought, why not vlog it? You know, I get to ride into work and I also get to make a juicy little moto vlog, so yeah. But it saves me money on parking, it's kind of about the same on fuel because I'm on a fucking 1000, so it's a thirsty gal. Hello buddy. So it does kind of save me money. It saves me time. Like fucking today, it took me 30 minutes to get in. Yeah, schools are out, but usually it takes like an hour 10, I want to say. So yeah, massive time saver, which I'm a big fan of. And yeah, it's just more enjoyable. Like I hate just being stuck in a tin can, aka my car coming in, which yeah, a bit boring. But yeah, I want to get past this guy, but I'm taking it easy on the filtering today because I've got my selfie stick on. I don't want to clart anyone with it, to be honest. Like these little moped melts that you see riding around who are abysmal riders. Like always abysmal. Can't stand them. Let me know if you ride in on your bike, if you enjoy it, if you don't enjoy it. And also if you got any tips, that kind of stuff. Always interesting to read on what people recommend, what people are doing, that kind of stuff. So yeah. Definitely wouldn't recommend doing it on a fucking ZX-10. It's a bit overkill round obviously these little towny roads. But when you get onto the M3, you're golden because you can just zip off. But yeah, if you know this area, you might know this roundabout. I think it's just called the Twickenham roundabout. But yeah, they have absolutely destroyed this roundabout. They've put in like God knows how many sets of traffic lights. Bearing in mind before, I don't really think there was any. It was just a normal roundabout. But now they've put in like here, there, and then there's another set there, and then another set there. So that's like 4 sets of traffic lights within the middle of the roundabout. And then bear in mind you've got one on each exit as well. Like, it's ridiculous. I have no idea why they've done it, they always seem to take absolutely ages to change as well. So yeah, proper nightmare. I don't know why they did it. It definitely does not relieve any congestion because it's still fucking terrible round here. Bit of a rant, but you know, ridiculous. But basically, after that Twickenham roundabout, you're kind of straight and clear to the M3. But yeah, as you can see, I've got no mirrors. I've got these tiny little bar end ones, so it just makes it easier for me to filter. I don't have to tuck them in or anything. There you go, there's a Twickenham Stadium. Lovely. Never been in there, but safe to say it looks cool. So yeah, Insta360 X5 is what I've got on the back currently. And I'm kind of in two minds about it. I'm in a love-hate relationship with it because, one, it's brilliant. You get this cool Grand Theft Auto style point of view, and it's just very unique. On the other hand, it's a fucking pain in the arse. One, because you have to set up the mount for it. Two, because you have to then do the editing in the app and export it and all that shite. And then it just never looks as good as I imagine it in my head. I don't know why. And you're not going to get it like a dead center angle to the back of you or to the back of the bike, because it's always offset, like where it is tucked in one side. So yeah, I'm definitely in two minds about it, but it's very unique, I will say. Hopefully it looks good. But the annoying thing is I've got my rucksack today, so you can't see the cool hoodie that I'm wearing, which is my own hoodie. But I'll put a little cut-in shot of a different day where I've not got a bag on. But yeah, if you've watched my previous vlogs, you'll know that those are the hoodies that I've been banging on about in the past. Got them made, they're fucking sweet. Link to my website is in the bio if you want to purchase one and be a legend. I've got loads of other stuff in the pipeworks for the shop as well. I think what I'm going to be doing next is keychains. So I've got some cool keychains that I'm going to be making, and they'll be available soon as well. But yeah, hoodies, awesome, buy one. They're great. But no, seriously, they are great. They're very soft, and if you notice, they don't have drawstrings, so you don't get that annoying tapping on your helmet, which I don't know, it pisses me off, that's for sure. But yeah, we are pretty much at the M3 now. It's just, I don't know if this counts as the M3, but it's this road, and then you're on the M3, and then I'm pretty much home after that. But because that is such a not interesting ride, I won't leave it in the video, to be honest. So what I'll basically do is cut here and just say, yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this vlog was a bit more enjoyable than usual, you know, trying to spice it up with the back angle and a bit of filtering in London. If you want to see more London vlogs, let me know, and I'll vlog my way in on the morning, maybe a bit more, and then, you know, down the line maybe go to some London meets, you know. There's that one, I think it's the bike shed, would be pretty cool to go to. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.